You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Wow. This is my money. Please cut the video because I want to start a picture. I'll be back. So this is it, and
Regina Chukwu, a famous Nigerian film star, has shown that she can be disciplined with her finances as she gained its rewards. Later in a post she shared on social media, the actress recently entered the My Kolo challenge on social media, gave fans the honor of seeing her split her piggy bank, where she had saved some money for several months. The movie star broke up the wooden box, and when she poured out its amazing content, many were in awe. As the 500 naira rolled up and 1000 naira notes came out of the wooden box, Regina Chukwu made it rain on her carpet. The movie star said that in 1 year, she was able to save all the money since she began it sometime in January 2020. However, she did not disclose the amount she was able to gather, but it was quite a lot from indications.
hello guys. So it's that time of the year again. So this is my Kolo for today. My Kolo. See, you can have a peep. See, that is how full my Kolo is. So we're going to break this, and then I'll be back to show you guys. Or you just so we are breaking now. Okay. Please concentrate on the money. Concentrate on the money. Let them see.
It's plenty.
Opo. Kopoke.
Opo. KPK.
So
KPK.
this is my money.
Wow.
This is my money. Please cut the video because I want to start a picture. I'll be back. So this is it, and we pop.
Come on.
We pop.
Look at this. Hey.
We pop.
See money. Ooh.
So this is all I've been able to save.
COVID could not stop you, man.
Yes, COVID could not stop me. I started, I think, January last year, so I don't know the date exactly. But this is all the money I've been able to save in my Kolo challenge. Last year when I did, was it last year? Okay, we are still in. Okay, I think it was last year 31st. I told you guys that okay, let's start this Kolo challenge. So I don't know how much you made, but this is my own. I will count it and I'll let you know. Kolo challenge done and dusted for 2020. See you in 2021. It's plenty.
Opo. Bye.
Yoruba asked her if she could send her son and daughter's account number to be credited with some money.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.